All right, family, welcome back again today. We're going to be looking into what's called a menu number 7, which is known as adversary. For those of you who want to look at it, it's actually like your consulting side of things of the AfriOne Life. If you've not registered on the AfriOne Life, you are literally missing out. People are already using the platform for whatever reasons that they are onboarding. And so please use the number and the Telegram accounts for you to be able to register and get yourself easily. For example, maybe you're also stuck and you're trying to ask yourself, how do I move from here? Or you are seeing the number, you don't know what to do. Literally go watch the first 2 or the first 3 videos. You'll be able to understand all the process and how you can take advantage of the AfriOne Life. So with that being said, today we're going to be looking into number 7, which is adversary. So let's see. I'm clicking it now. Yeah. Remember, I warned you all. I say, please, when the thing pops up, read the menu, get to understand the context of things, and so that you can then be able to use the facility. And it's available for everybody. I think some people are asking, okay, sir, what belongs to us? We are currently on basic. What happened to others? For now, everyone is on basic. As time goes on, definitely everybody will put in a different cluster, but you will still all benefit from the same services we are currently rendering. So with that being said, you can see here that we have book a consultant, find an expert, book an expert, or probably become an expert. And also you can find some of the consultants that is partner with us. And at the same time, also you can also be able to see my sessions and the team to contact. Now let's look. When you want to book for consultation, this is what happened. You click book consultation. It tells you, it pops out the kind of consultation you are looking forward for. Maybe you want to do property consultation, legal and compliance. Talking about legal and compliance, we also have another menu which is legal entirely. On this very particular videos, just check probably the next 4 or 5 videos, you will find legal and compliance. So you enjoy that. So we have legal and compliance, we have business strategy. For those of you who jackpot back to Nigeria and you're trying to find a way of how to balance in the country, or maybe you jackpot back to your own country, whatever your country is, because remember, AfriOne, it's literally global. So we have what we call diaspora return. And I like diaspora return because it has a lot of things. Let me even click that. We have financial advice, we have construction engineering, we have technology and data. We also have governance and policy. Then we have Pan-African strategy. Maybe, for example, you're like my kind, you want to be an Afropolitan, you want to do business in Africa, or probably you want to be able to get yourself into the politics of Africa. We have coach and mentors that are currently sitting down waiting for you to come on board so that you can then be able to use the service. But let's look at diaspora return. So I'm going to click diaspora return. Now you see now the first thing is asking, describe your consultation request in detail. Now, chances are, maybe for example, for me, from Rwanda back to Nigeria currently, and I'm like, okay, fine, I want to find a way of how to start my business in Nigeria. What are the things I need to put myself into? What are the organizations? Who are the partners? I'll write everything down. And as soon as I'm done with that, if I click next, it will give me other stuff and co. So if you're a diaspora person returning back into your country, please and please, this is a place for you. And that's why I said with AfriOne Life, literally everyone is involved. So now that's the book consultation. So let's look at another menu we can pick and then talk about is, let's even look at business strategy. You click business strategy. It also gives you other things for you to be able to pick. See, family, this is full. Time will not permit me for me to tell you everything, but you can see that literally on the AfriOne advisory side of things, things are literally working. And if you click find an expert, it will now tell you, for example, now, because it's a demo account that I'm using for you now, it tells you no verified expert available here for inquiry. You can call any of the numbers here and literally they will be able to connect you with an expert if you just started. But this is the thing about it. Let's say the system connects you with a particular expert. Every connection goes to my peering. And my peering literally, let me go back and so that we can see on main menu. You can see my peering is literally menu 15. So every client, whether it is somebody who is selling property, business, whatever, as long as the system has paired you with this very particular person, that's where you will find a person's unique ID, which is the legal one for you to use for your transactions, or probably their phone numbers, which the system will hardly give you phone number for security reasons, but with a unique ID, you can be able to communicate with them all. So that is it all when it comes comes to adversary. And in case if you have anything that you want to talk to us about, and if you want to become a partner, please, you can literally come. Let me even see. Let's click become a partner. Woo! You see all the thing that pops out. You can become a partner in property, legal, business, diaspora, investment, financial, construction, technology, operations, government, community, marketing, and partner. So you can literally become an expert in this very particular place. So maybe you're watching me currently, and you say you are an expert in any of these places that I have mentioned. If it's not here, we also have the place where it says others. So you can put yourself into the picture. And so that is it. Coming up next, I'll be talking about AfriOne Show, how you can then become part of the AfriOne Show. Maybe you're watching us on what you call YouTube, or you're listening to us on the radio and you want to be a guest and stuff. So the next video will talk to you on how to use the AfriOne Life to become a guest on the AfriOne Show. I'll see you just now.